what I could be if I believed in me. Maybe today I'll find a way, my dreams will set me free. I can't make up my mind, tired of getting left behind, what I could be.